When you search for laser engraving machines, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy photos. But to really find out what works for you, you gotta dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Acmeer S1 Laser Engraver. The Acmeer S1 Laser Engraver caught my attention with its affordable price of $143.99 and impressive specs. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly engraver that delivers high accuracy, this is worth a serious look. This machine packs a punch with a 6,000 milliwatts laser, allowing for ultra-fine detail with a laser spot size of just 0.04 millimeters. It can achieve engraving speeds up to 10,000 millimeters per minute, which means you can get your projects done quickly without sacrificing quality. Plus, the 130 by 130 millimeters working area is perfect for small to medium-sized projects, whether you're crafting gifts or running a small business. Now, some users mentioned that the software can be a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the free Acmeer Studio software really opens up a world of possibilities. It's also compatible with popular software like Lightburn, making it flexible for different user preferences. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or hobbyist looking to explore engraving without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty machine for large-scale projects, as the working area is somewhat limited. For the price, it offers great value for anyone starting out in laser engraving. Now, if the S1's limited working area is a concern for you, the next product offers a completely different approach. Product number 2, Xtool S1 Laser Cutter. Next up is the Xtool S1, a powerhouse priced at $1,899. Right away, its 40W laser power stood out to me. If you need something that can tackle bigger projects with ease, this one's worth considering. The Xtool S1 can engrave on materials as thick as 18 millimeters cherry wood effortlessly. It boasts a massive 23.93-inch by 15.16-inch bed size and can engrave at speeds of 600 millimeters per second. This is seriously impressive for anyone wanting to create large signs or multiple items in one go. Additionally, its pinpoint positioning technology ensures precision, making it easier to create intricate designs on rounded surfaces like tumblers. However, it is a significant investment, and some users have mentioned that the learning curve can be steep for complete beginners. But honestly, once you get used to the Xtool Creative Space software and its AI design features, it becomes a breeze. This is perfect for you if you're a small business owner or a serious hobbyist looking for a durable and efficient laser engraver. Skip this if you're just dabbling in engraving or are on a tight budget. For those who can invest, it provides outstanding performance and reliability. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking high precision at a more accessible price point. Product number 3, Order Laser Master 2S2. Now, let's look at the Order Laser Master 2S2, priced at $219.99. This model really shines with its 10,000 milliwatts laser power. If you want an affordable option with serious cutting capabilities, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this machine is its ability to cut through 30 millimeters acrylic and 20 millimeters wood, which is incredible for DIY projects. The engraving area is 390 by 410 millimeters, giving you plenty of space to work with. Plus, it has a modular design, making assembly super quick, about 10 to 15 minutes. That's a huge win for those who want to get started fast. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit loud during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're working on projects in a dedicated space, this might not be a deal breaker for you. Plus, the performance and ease of use really outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're an enthusiast or hobbyist who wants a capable machine without spending a fortune. Skip this if you need a quiet operation or if you're looking for something more heavy-duty. Overall, it offers excellent value for the features it provides. Now, if the order's noise level is a concern for you, the next model might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Two Trees TDS 10 Pro. Next, we have the Two Trees TDS 10 Pro, retailing at $230.99. I was impressed by its high precision thanks to the 10,000 milliwatts laser. If detail and speed are your priorities, this one is worth considering. With speeds hitting up to 30,000 millimeters per minute and a focus spot of just 0.069 millimeters, it's designed for deep, fast engraving on a variety of materials like wood and acrylic. The 300 by 300 millimeters working area is perfect for custom projects, from coasters to jewelry. Plus, the machine supports both online and offline engraving, which adds to its convenience. But some users mention that the instructions could be more straightforward. Here's the thing. If you're willing to do a little research online, there are plenty of tutorials available that can guide you through any confusion, so it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a high-speed engraver for small-scale projects, especially if you enjoy customization. Skip this if you're looking for larger capabilities, or if you want a more user-friendly setup straight out of the box. For the price, it delivers impressive performance. Now, if you're looking for an even more budget-friendly option, the next product is worth checking out. Product number 5, Two Trees TDS 55 Pro. Finally, let's discuss the Two Trees TDS 55 Pro, priced at $125.88. This is a fantastic option if you want to save some money without sacrificing quality. If you're just starting out or need something for basic tasks, this one's definitely worth a look. It features a 5,500 milliwatts laser and has a 300 by 300 millimeters working area. While it might not have the same power as others, it still provides excellent engraving on various materials, including wood and acrylic. The Air Assist support also enhances cutting performance, giving you cleaner edges. However, some people reported that it might struggle with thicker materials. Here's the thing though. If you're mostly working with thin materials or are a beginner, this shouldn't be an issue. It's designed for hobbyists and light projects, so it's perfect for those who are just getting into laser engraving. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and plan to work on smaller projects. Skip this if you're looking to tackle more demanding tasks or thicker materials. For beginners, it provides solid value without overwhelming features. So, to wrap things up, we've looked at the Acme S1 for beginners, the powerful Xtool S1 for larger projects, the capable Order LaserMaster 2S2, the speedy Two Trees TDS 10 Pro, and the budget-friendly TDS 55 Pro for light tasks. Each of these machines has its strengths tailored to different needs, so consider what works best for you before making a choice.